Good morning, students. Yesterday we are discussing about your KMAP, that is corn of map. Today we will discuss 4 variable KMAP. KMAP only for SOP we will discuss, that is your min-term format. So the max term, after completing your min-term problems, then we will move for the max term with the 4 variable KMAP. Okay. Before going to write the 4 variable KMAP, yesterday's class, 2 variable with how many cubes? 4 cubes. A, B, A complement A, B complement B. That is A complement B complement, A complement B, A B complement A B. This is M0, M1, M2, M3. This we have discussed yesterday. Then another one with your 3 variable map. A 3 variable map gives you 8 cubes, 2 rows with 4 columns. When we have 3 variable, first variable will be for row wise and another 2 variables for the column wise. This is y complement z complement, y complement z, yz, yz complement. You need to practice it this way by heart. And this is M0, M1, M3. It is not a 2. This is M2, M4, M5, M7, M6. That means, so just interchange of these 2 columns. What you will get here? X complement, Y complement, Z complement, X, Y complement, Z complement. YZ complement is common, and for this row, X is common. X is common. Similarly, X complement, Y complement Z, X, Y complement Z. Here, X complement YZ, X, YZ, X complement YZ complement, X, YZ complement. So this we have discussed yesterday, that is your 3 variable KMAP. If we add another 2 rows for this, then it is your 4 variable KMAP. A 4 variable KMAP in your classwork while copying also, please copy a squares. Exactly each cube with a square. Try to practice like this when you are writing in your classwork. Take 2 lines for 1 cube. 2 lines for 1 cube, then it is easy to write it. So if I take f of A, B, C, D, first 2 variables is for row, another 2 variables is for column. Another 2 variables is for column. Here is AB, here it is C and D. I'll write one more for your understanding purpose. This is AB, CD. That means this side is for AB and that side is for CD. This is your M0. How you can write M0 in your binary format? 0, 0, 0, 0, right? Then these two are 0. These two are 0. How you will write M2, M1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That means 2 zeros over. Then here 0, 1. These two for the row. These two for the column. Understood? Then what you will get? 0, 0, 0, 1. How you will write M3? 0, 0, 1, 1. Then these two are 1, 1. 0, 0 is common here for the row. This is M2. How you will write M2? 1, 0. Then this is 1, 0. Then this is your M4, M5, M6, sorry, M7, M6. See, now columns are same. Columns are same. I need to fill only the row. First we'll fill 4. How you will get 4? 0, 1. Then this is 0, 1. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay? See, here you are 7, here you are 6, here you are 5. Then what's about the remaining? This is same as your three variable map. Then how we can write for the 4 variable map? See, this is not M8. We are just interchanging this one for M8 here, M9. As we interchange this side, this is M10, this is your M11. Please practice this one. It's very important. The terms are fixed. You should not change. Easy to remember. 2, 6, 14 and 10 should be this side. 8, 9, 10, 11 should be below. So then this is 12, 13, 14, 15. How I'll get 15? 1, 1 and 1, 1, right? Then what is this? 1, 1. How I'll get 10? How I'll get 10? Otherwise 8, 1, 0, 0, 0. 0, 0 we have taken from here. Then this side is what? 1, 0. Then it's already there the column value 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then I should add what? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Here 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Similarly, according to your SOP, 1 means X, 0 means X complement. Then here all are 0, right? Here all are 0. Then I need to get all our complemented terms, A complement, B complement, C complement, D complement. Then what is this? A complement, B complement. This is C complement, D complement. That means 0, 0, 0, 0. I get 0, 0, 0, 0. Hence it is M0. Okay. Then how I'll get M1? A complement, B complement, C complement, D. Then what is this? C complement D. C complement D. Are you getting? Then this side C complement D, C complement D, C complement D is common. Then A complement B complement, A complement B complement is common for the row. This is row heading. This is your column heading. Here also C complement D complement, C complement D complement, C complement D complement is column. Still I did not get your row. Then how I will get M3? M3 is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 0 over. These two are uncomplemented. Oh, then it is CD. No complement. Here CD is common, CD is common, CD is common. Then here I need to get M2. M2 means 0, 0, 1, 0. 1 means C is uncomplement, D is complement. D is complement, then C D complement. C D complement. Here C D complement is common. C D complement is common. Then we need to fill only the row headings now. Only the row headings you can remember here. See, this is 0, 1. Here it is 1, 1, 1, 0. That means A is complement, B is uncomplement. A and B both are uncomplement. A is uncomplement, B is complement. Did you got it? Then A complement B, A complement B, A complement B, A complement B, M4, M5, M7, M6. Then here AB, 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 AB complement, AB complement, AB complement, AB complement. Here it is M8, M9, M11. 11 first, then 10 next. M12, M13, M15, M14. This is your KMAP with each cube term and its minterm notation. Each cube has its own minterm notation with its own term format. Term format. Each one is unique one. Each one is unique one. Then your map was ready. Then how we can go when you are writing? This is important. The map writing headings are important. The writing of headings you need to remember. Each cube is combination of intersection of row heading and column heading. A cube will be filled with any cube. A row heading, column heading. Row heading, column heading. M15. What is there for M15? AB is a row heading. Column heading is CD. This you need to remember. Once you know this one, first you need to write this chart while solving the problem. Then you can go for another. That is your second one. Make it another tabular structure like this with only the terms and only the row headings and column headings. Only the row headings and column headings. C complement D, C complement D, CD, CD complement. Only the second one. This is your second one. First one, you just practice the first one for 1 or 2, 3 problems. Then you can go for this. But while writing in the exam, this is your first table and this is your second table. Why this second table is required? Suppose if they have given the question A, B, C, D equal to sigma of 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 13, 15. This is they have been given. Reduce the expression using KMAP. Using KMAP. Please try to understand. This is your 5 marks important question. For writing the column and row headings and mentioning the terms exactly gives you 1 mark. That means whatever now we have your second format gives you 1 mark. This will help you to reduce. This table will help you to reduce. But this one will not give the marks. But this will helps you to get the another 2 marks. Now 0 is present. In SOP output is 1. The value present means you need to write in front of that 1. That means in that particular cube 1. 1 is present. That means M1 is present. M2 is present. M3 is present. M5 is present. M7 is present. 13 is present. 15 is present. Writing only this much will add you another 1 marks. Writing an empty table with a row and column headings with a min-term gives you 1 marks. According to the question, writing the presented term with the output 1 representation gives you 1 mark. Now grouping gives you 1 more marks. Grouping gives you 1 more marks. In your 4 variable map, the maximum group is hexa when all the cubes are present. When all the cubes are present, you will get output, standard output 1. And the second maximum group is octa or octet. Octa or octet, that is with the 8 adjacent cells. 8 adjacent cells. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is one of the octa. Then this is one of the octa. This is one of the octa. Overlapping gives you 1 more octa. Above horizontally as well as vertically gives you 1 octa. 8 grouping. Quad with 4 adjacent cells. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is your 1 quad. This is your 1 quad. Like this you can do quad. Then pair with how many adjacent cell? 2 adjacent cell. A single cube remains. Single cube remains. See, I have given one problem over here. Here, how you can group? A maximum group you should go. This gives you 1 quad. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though adjacent here also is there, don't go for redundant group. Go for only the group with the maximum adjacent cells. Maximum adjacent cell. Suppose 14 also is there. 14 and 15. 14 also present. Here 14 can be grouped with the 15, but that is not a quad that gives you pair. See, this is also possible. M1, M3, M5, M7 is also possible to do the group, but that gives you your repeated entry. Do you remember? X into X or X plus X can be written only once. So that kind of entries you will get. If you do redundant group, you will not get the marks in the final exam. Please remember that one. While doing, it should not be a redundant, which is already been grouped. 1, 3 already been grouped, even 5, 7 already been grouped. So that time don't do the redundant group. Don't do the redundant group. This is your very, very important. You need to remember. You need to remember. So this gives you 1 quad. This gives you 1 quad. This gives you 1 pair. This gives you another 1 mark. That means writing the labels with a term for each cube gives you 1 mark. presenting your output format which is present in the given expression, that is in the question, gives you 1 mark. Grouping gives you 1 marks. Where is your another 2 marks, that is your reduced format expression. Can I erase it now here? So this I am going to erase now. It means a quad. How we can reduce that particular first quad? Quad equal to, that is quad 1. When we have 2, 3, then you should use quad 1, quad 2. Which is a quad 1 you have did M0, M1, M3, M2. Quad 2, where you have been done M5, M7, M13, M15. What will gives you? Pair. Only one pair is there. No need to write pair 1, pair 2. 15 and 14. That means all these are we have grouped. Copy down in one place. Otherwise, remember here, AB complement, AB complement, AB complement, AB complement is common. I'll show you here. A complement, B complement, C complement, D complement, M0. Then below that write down M1. A complement, B complement, C complement, D. Below write down M3. A complement, B complement, C, D. M2. Write down M2. What is the M2? A complement, B complement, C, D complement. What is the common variable among all these 4 terms? C, A complement, A complement, A complement, A complement. Common, B complement. C, C complement, C, C, no need to write. C, D, 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 D complement, no need to write. Okay. See here, these 2 gets cancelled, these 2 get cancelled, these 2 get cancelled. That means which is there a common. Just copy down. This is your simplified format. Then we'll write for another quad. That is one way to write. Another way to write for the quad 1. C, C complement, C, C. These 2 gets cancelled. Here C complement C get cancelled, D, D complement get cancelled. These 2 get cancelled. Then what it remains? A complement D. That is one way to remember. Directly you can write without writing the terms also. Then here among these two and among these 2. This is your quad you have done, right? Among these 2, what is a common? B is a common. Among these 2, which is a common? D is a common. This is your reduced format. Among these 2, that means among these 2 you are calculating, and this is common AB. Among these 2, which is a common? C is a common C. Quad gives you 2 variable, pair gives you 3 variable, octa gives you single. Octa gives you single, that I have given in the classwork, and even yesterday also I have been explained. Octa gives you 1 variable, quad gives you 2 variable, pair gives you 3 variable, a single gives you complete term 4. Suppose M8 was there, that we have make it as single. You need to represent single also. Single also. What is that? M8. What gives you M8? A, B complement, C complement, D complement. And finally combine all the result. F of A, B, C, D. Quad 1 plus quad 2 plus pair plus single. What you will get? A complement, B complement plus B, D plus A, B, C plus A, B complement, C complement, D complement. This gives you completely 2 marks, remaining 2 marks. Writing the terms and reduced format and writing the final result gives you 2 marks. This is a compulsory question. Suppose if you are not able to do grouping and a simplified, at least you will get 3 marks. 3 marks. Try to get your complete 5 marks. If you are not able to do, at least do the mapping which is given. Do the headings, do the writing the terms. These terms and writing the labels is fixed. But notice what is a variable they have given. If they have given f of a, b, c, d, then use the a, b, c, d. Suppose if they have given p, q, r, s, f of p, q, r, s. Here is for PQ, 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 PQ. Here RS, 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 RS. This is very important. Whatever they have been given, those variables only you should use. You are not supposed to change the variables. The same terms you need to copy. This is one format you practice with both. Then second, today's homework, f of w, x, y, z. Suppose if they have given f of x, y, w, z, these two for row, these two for column. Order should not change. Whatever they have given, the same format you have to use. So practice these 3 for writing the table, first one and second one. No need the problems. We'll continue in the Monday 3 variable problems few, and we'll move from the Tuesday or Wednesday the problems on 4 variable map. But 4 variable is only very important. The basic we need to know with the 3 variable how you can do multiple groupings. So once we get the 3 variable, then it is easy to go for the 4 variable map. 4 variable problems, reducing and writing. Whatever the remaining 2 marks what I told, that we'll do it in the Wednesday onwards. That you'll come to know. Once you get solved more than 6 to 10 problems, then you will come to know that easily. For 1 problem, 2 problems, don't get tensed. Definitely, if you practice more than 10 problems, you will come to know that how to solve the SOP. Once you got the completely how to solve the SOP, only the second table what I told that it is going to be changed, and the remaining 2 marks whatever it was there, it is a concept of your SOP only. Reducing and writing the output, you will come to know in the SOP after 10 problems perfectly. But practice of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all 10 problems, then only you will come to know that you can solve by your own with after teaching 4 problems, after teaching 6 problems or 10 problems. But practice is very important. Keep practice. Today I have given these 3 homework. You just write the tabular 1 and tabular 2 what I told. This is not required. That is I have been given for the practice purpose. Just make it empty one and filled one. Okay. Thank you students. We'll continue with the problems on 3 variable map. First we'll discuss only SOP, that is min term, not in the max term. Okay. Thank you.